So, how do you find a PI mentor? This is probably what I spend the most time helping students do. As a reminder, you're going to want to identify a PI mentor well in advance of submitting your application. And it's going to take a lot of shopping around. And it's not because PIs or professors don't want to provide mentorship. It's just that it is a significant time commitment that the PIs are making, and they may not be able to provide mentorship. So there's a lot of shopping around, as I said, and I list here a number of ways that have been successful for students. And there's no one right way to do it. So one, you can start off looking at the Columbia Psych faculty, going to the websites, reading about people's research, and once you find people that seem interesting to you, you want to immediately email them and ask if they would be willing to serve as a mentor. You can also look at Columbia Neuroscience faculty. You can also look at the broader Columbia community. You can look at Barnard College professors, professors up at the medical school, MBBI, Teachers College, etc. So there are many psychology and neuroscience faculty around campus. You can also work with any psych or neuro faculty anywhere, actually. They don't have to be Columbia affiliated, but they have to be able to support your research project. So there have been students who work with a professor, for example, at Mount Sinai, who can support their senior research experience. And that's fine. We'll just work with that professor to make sure that they understand what the requirements are for this intensive. Finally, we're going to ask the PI mentor and the student to discuss and sign a contract that just lays out the number of times that you'll be meeting together and maybe some ideas about the research project. And you'll submit this with your application, and it's just a way for everyone to be clear on what the expectations are for the mentorship.